What up, guys? Back to another video, and I got today with my little brother. Hi. We got two new chips that we want to try out, or Takis, but we've tried one of these already, but we have not tried the other one. We got crunchy fajita. We've tried those, and then we got guacamole. We have not tried these. Got these at my local corner store. I put it in this little thing right here. So let's see. Open it a little bit so it doesn't fall off. No, that smells good. I'll try and show you. I'm sorry. This one though. Okay. That's good. Yeah. This is what the Takis looks like. Crunchy fajita. It's a light red. It's just a hot on the spice meter. We're gonna try it. Ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Mmm. Those are good. I like those. I'm gonna lick the chili off of it, see if it has any spice.
Want that one?
You got it. Those are good. They're just tortilla chips. They're not hot at all, so, but they are good. Kind of a light spice, but not too spicy.
Not really.
Like really good though. I'm liking them. I give that one a 10 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
What do you think it's missing?
Not spicy enough.
Yeah, I think they should make it a little spicier. They've only got a chili pepper right there.
It's not spicy.
That's not spicy at all. Next we got a guacamole. This is a mild, so we're not expecting these to be spicy.
I'm expecting them to be like tortilla chips.
Yeah, guacamole tortilla chips. These are like a mustard color. They smell very good though.
That's true, they smell good. Ooh.
They're like green.
They look good though.
That's what they look like. The guacamole. Light green coating. And that's it.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. It's good. That's really good.
Wow. Those actually taste like guacamole, kind of. Wow.
There's no powder to suck off though. There's no powder to suck off. They're good.
They taste close to guacamole.
Yeah, that's true.
Like, a lot. I give these a 9 out of 10. Only because I think they should have a little bit of spice.
Yeah, 9 out of 10.
Keep it mild, on a mild level though.
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to try them together.
Doing two.
One of those. Crunchy fajita.
One.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3. They're good. Put them together, I give them a 10 out of 10.
I like them.
It has some more spice now.
Add a little bit of the crunchy fajita spice to it. We got also try some more Takis Nitro. That will be next.
I have tried nitro before.
And Fuego. We've all tried those, but I guess we can do a review of them. It's my favorite one.
Oh, we have to do zombie.
Yeah, we gotta do the zombie, we gotta do the salsa brava, and all those other pizza flavors. Overall, I give crunchy fajita 10 out of 10. Guacamole 9 out of 10. Needs more spice.
Yeah.
Don't you?
Same.
Same?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. That's it for today. Like, comment, subscribe. And as always, stay tuned. Stay up. Galaxy Wolf out.